The Indian Ocean, the world's quietest battlefield, is all of a sudden back in the spotlight. No explosions, no missiles fired, no fighter jets clashing in the sky. And yet, a major global super struggle is quietly unfolding. Now, at the center of this rising political storm is a tiny group of islands, a disputed sovereignty deal, and one of America's most secretive and powerful military zones. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Triti Atri, and let's zoom out a little into the Indian Ocean. Far away from crowded cities, far away from global headlines, lies a small island called Diego Garcia. It looks really peaceful, surrounded by crystal blue water, palm leaves, in fact, silence. But behind that calm appearance, the island is one of the most important military locations on the planet Earth. Now, the controversy that begins. The United Kingdom, it is planning a major political move here. London is discussing a deal that could transfer control of the Lagos Islands to Mauritius. At first glance, it sounds like a diplomatic correction of history. Mauritius has long claimed the islands were separated from it unfairly during colonial times. Many international voices support returning the islands, but here's where the story takes a dramatic turn, because sitting inside those islands is the massive US-UK military base in Diego Garcia, and US is not taking this lightly. Then enters Donald Trump with a strong and unmistakable warning here. The US president has made his position crystal clear. The base is non-negotiable, the base is strategic, and the base will be protected by force if necessary. In fact, Trump has signaled that if America's military presence or operations face any threat, the US is ready to step in militarily to secure Diego Garcia. Well, this is not diplomacy language anymore. This is deterrence language. Wait, why is this small island so important? Because Diego Garcia is not just another overseas military outpost. It is a global power launchpad. From this single island, the US can monitor, supply, and conduct military operations across the Middle East, South Asia, Indo-Pacific region, major global shipping lanes. It is like a giant military chess piece placed perfectly in the middle of the board. In fact, history tells us this base has been used during some of America's biggest wars. Basically, operations that are linked to the Gulf War, Afghanistan conflict, Iraq War. Long-range bombers, naval logistics, intelligence operations all have repeatedly flowed through Diego Garcia. This is not strategic though. This is operationally irreplaceable for Washington today. Now, imagine this whole scenario. If sovereignty changes hands, new political rules could emerge. Basically, Mauritius could demand new conditions. Access agreements could change. Military freedom could shrink. And that possibility alone is making the US strategist extremely uncomfortable. So in the end, Trump's message is basically this. America cannot afford uncertainty in a region that controls some of the world's busiest trade and energy routes.